Hello everyone, I am Monalisa Lenka from Modern Engineering and Management Study Baleshwar. Today is topic about correlation and regression. So what is correlation and what is regression? First, correlation. Correlation means a relation between two or more things. It is a statistical technique which help us to find out what kind of relation exists between two or more variable. Okay, co means between them. So between them there is a relation which is known as correlation. Second, regression. Regression means there are two variable, one is independent and another is dependent. If we fix our independent variable, then we can find out dependent variable. So what is it? I will tell you in details. First of all, we talk about correlation. So there is positive, there may be negative, or there may be no correlation. So how can it possible? So there is a positive correlation. We take an example, temperature and ice cream selling. So don't look for this dependent and independent. We are only talking about in ice cream selling and temperature. So if temperature increases when summer comes, right, ice cream sale is increases, so there is positive correlation. We take an example, price and demand. If price of some product get increases, then demand get decreases, so this is negative correlation. If for no correlation, I will say like I eat Chinese food. Okay, I eat Chinese food, so I can speak Chinese language. There was no relation between two variable. How can we talk in language of which we are eating food? Right? There was no relation. There was no regression between food and language. Okay, so no correlation. There is no correlation. This is about correlation. If we talk about regression, so that time we look about this independent and dependent. So this is independent and dependent. So independent, first independent, there is an independent and dependent variable on regression. So independent variable in temperature, this is independent, not dependent, not dependent, ice cream selling. But ice cream selling is dependent on temperature, right? So as we fixed it independent variable, then we look that what is selling of ice cream, is it increases or decreases. So we can calculate with the value of in ice cream selling by fixing this independent variable. We can find out the value of dependent variable, right? It may be positive, negative as correlation. So what is difference of correlation and regression? First, correlation. Correlation and association between two quantities. So co means between them. So there is an relation between them. There is association between them. As we said in temperature and ice cream selling, there is dependent. They are correlated to each other. So in regression, there is an independent is numerically related to dependent variable. So we can find out the value of dependent variable, right, by fixing the independent variable. If we know the independent variable, we can calculate the dependent variable. In regression, in correlation, there is a linear relation as we had seen before, right? It's seen before, right? Estimate one variable on basis of another variable. So we can estimate the one variable. If we know the other variable, we can find the one variable. Then correlation, no difference between dependent and independent variable. There is a, if x equal to y, then y is also equal to x. there is no difference to variable. In regression, if x equal to y but there is not y equal to x, y unequal to x, okay, strength of association between two variable. What is the strength of correlation? Now this is what the correlation. What is the correlation? It is the strength association between the two variable. It is the strength of association between the two variable. How how that two variable, how much powerful that we are to each other? What is the strength between them? What is the strength between them two variable? In regression, impact of unit change in one independent variable on dependent variable. If there is a unit change in independent variable, so its impact will show on dependent variable. Then we can find the numerical value, express the relation between the variable. So by knowing the correlation between them, we can find the value, their association between powerfully, they are associated to each other. We can find the value in correlation. In regression, predict value of random variable on basis on fixed variable value. If we fixed a variable, if we fixed an independent variable, we can find the dependent variable. Right? This is about correlation. There is a formula in equation of regression, y equal to ax plus b. So y is a function of x, y is a function of x. If there is a value of x get changed, if the value of y gets changed, then y also gets changes. Then how much it changes, we can calculate by the equation. We can calculate the correlation and regression by computer application, or we can solve it by formula or copy. So this is all about correlation and regression.